Hello students of class 7. Welcome to the online tutorial classes for Vidya Bhavan High Secondary School. This video is for class 7 chemistry. The chapter what I will continue today is the element, compound and the mixture, and this video is part 16. Okay. So in this video I will discuss about the separation of the constituents of mixtures with more than two constituents. Okay. So what is it? Separation of constituents of the mixture with more than two constituents. Okay. So these procedures, I am giving you any two examples. Just first is separation of sand, sawdust and salt according to your syllabus. And the second is iron filings. Next, iron filings and sulfur and common salt. Okay, so first I will discuss about the sand, sawdust and salt. This is the mixture is taken in the glass beaker and the water is added to it. Salt dissolved in water forming the salt solution. Okay, because it is soluble in water, the sawdust being lighter floats on the surface of the water, while and being heavier thus settle down, and the sand will settle down. Now salt solution along with the sawdust is poured slowly on the filter paper fixed in a funnel. Solution passes through the filter paper and the sawdust remaining on it. Okay. Sand is left on the beaker as sediment. The salt solution is evaporated to get salt from water. In this way the components get separated. Okay. By which in this procedure first we take one beaker. Okay. And the mixture poured on it. And the sand particles are actually make this sediment, sand settle down, and here the salt is dissolved with the water. Salt dissolves in the water and the sawdust is floating on it. Sawdust floats. Okay, so by the sand settle down, we take it out and the salt dissolved with the water and the sawdust, we pour it out in a different container where a funnel placed on a conical flask. Okay, like that. And with the help of one glass rod, we pour it and the sand will, this is this beaker, the sand is on the last part and the liquid is on the topper part, and as we filtered out this liquid, the sawdust will separate it out in this part and the salt solution come on this part. Okay. And when from this salt solution we can evaporate out the water and we can find out the proper salt on it. Okay. So this is the procedure of the separation of sand, sawdust and the salt. The next is iron filing, sulfur and the common salt. What is it? To separate the constituents of this mixture, first a magnet is brought near it, iron filling get attracted and separated. Now water is added to the mixture, common salt dissolved in and leaving behind the sulfur. Okay. The mixture is filtered, sulfur collects with the filter paper as residue, while salt solution passes through the filter paper, and then if the evaporated, by the evaporation we can get the water. So in here, in this procedure, in one bowl the total mixture of iron filling, sulfur and common salt taken. Okay, here some of like that, some of like that, some of like that, and with the help of the magnet, we can take the iron filling out. Okay, we can take the iron filling out. It is the magnet and this is the irons. Okay, out, and after that we can mix the residue part with the water, and with the mixture we can take it on a conical flask or in a bowl where the salt solution in water is present and the sulfurs are producing and floating on the upper part. Okay, so and here the salt solution in the beneath. Okay, and after that then water is added to it. After the adding of the water, the common salt dissolve it and leaving behind the sulfur is leaving behind. Okay, and the mixture is filtered, sulfur collected by the filter paper. When the mixture is filtered out like that, the sulfur will form the residue on the filter paper and the salt solution will pour onto it, and then after it, when we function the evaporation procedure, the water will evaporate it out and leaving the salt behind. Okay, so by this procedure we can actually separate out the iron filling, sulfur and the common salt. Okay, so by this I am completing this chapter. In this chapter I have discussed about the mixtures, the compounds, about the elements, about the name of the elements, the many characteristics of the elements, compound and the mixture along with their examples, homogeneous, heterogeneous mixture, the pure substance, impure substances, and different separating procedures which we undergo for the separation of the mixtures, of the separating of the liquid, the separation of the liquid solid, the solid, and many kind of that, and also about the chromatography, the paper chromatography. Okay, I think you understood this chapter properly. Go through the PDF what I will attach with this video. Okay, thank you.